How long does Ion permanent hair dye done at home last? Well, in this video, we're going to try to figure it out, but it kind of depends on what your definition of last means. I recently dyed my hair a whole bunch of different shades of pink and purple. It turned kind of orangey. I'm going to have some pictures and I'm going to link that video up below and down below. But my hair, I believe, has been drastically changing. So I did this on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now Monday. My hair has been shampooed and conditioned. One of the days I only rinsed, and then today my conditioner, instead of my regular color conditioner, I used like a color lock conditioner that Sally gave me. So I'm just really interested because I think it's changing really fast, especially this part on my head if you look at the pictures. So we're just going to see what happens. Now every single day I'm going to shampoo and condition, just because my hair feels absolutely nasty, 100% grody, disgusting after even just one day of not shampooing and conditioning. My hair cannot do it. It has to be shampooed and conditioned every day. So I'm gonna do a little picture or video after it dries every single day, and we're just gonna see what it looks like after a while. So this is what it looks like the 5th time being washed and stuff in natural daylight after just air dry. This is another day of color washing, shampooing, and then air drying. And this is in like light from inside of a house. Yesterday I didn't even rinse it, I didn't do anything. It was just a lay in bed kind of day. And you guys, look at how fast my roots are growing in. My hair grows super fast, and this was shampooed and conditioned this morning. Okie dokie. So this morning I just color shampooed, and like up here almost all of the light pink is gone. So all of those different shades of pink, this is almost back to my like just bleached color. The purple so far, the Radiant Orchid, appears to be staying. And you guys, all of the light pinks are basically gone, but this is another day of shampooing and conditioning with the color stuff. Now the purple, the Radiant Orchid, that's staying in pretty nice. Well, we finished another day of this. I'm sorry, but I just feel like I'm gonna get so negative at this point. This color is so low quality. How can you call this permanent? I mean, there's a difference between fading and there's a difference between like totally exiting. And I mean, I don't know. The purple, again, it's the best staying color, but even that is starting to actually like fade. I consider what the purple's doing fading, but either way, after this few amount of showers, I just think it's absolutely redonkulous. Maybe I'm a newbie, maybe all hair dyes are like this, but for Ion to call this permanent, I think is absolutely redonkulous. I'm not quite sure how that's like legally allowed, because this right here is the color of my natural hair bleached. So parts of my head are already like totally back. Zero Ion color left in them at all. But I'm about to shampoo and condition, so let's see what happens. I don't know. Is the camera giving this better looks than it looks in real life? You can see streaks of pink, but you have to like really look to see the pink. I think that we might have reached like the final color. I don't know though. I think the main problem that I'm experiencing now is I'm kind of into this like super faded pink, but it doesn't negate the fact that this was not in any way permanent. Another day, and it is looking maybe slightly less pink. You guys, I am loving the color, okay? Now this morning, the shower water was a little pink still, so there is still more color coming out, but I shampooed and conditioned. You can see my roots coming in already. Obviously that's not the hair dye's fault, and I like roots, but you can see like streaks of pink, and depending on the light you look at it, you can see a little bit of pink here and there. say hello to bleach blonde hair. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna keep doing this because at this point it's just changing a little bit every day. Most of the change was super drastic, like right away, like within the first couple of days. Okie dokie, this video is over. Can I tell you guys exactly how long this ion color lasted? No, because you can barely, hardly see some of it left in. But what I can tell you is I don't really think that maybe you should buy this product. I mean, like, don't buy it. The color lasted, here's what the Radiant Orchid looks like now. The color just, I don't know. It really irks me that legally they can call this permanent because I don't know in what universe this is permanent. I mean, I'm into the bleach blonde and now my roots are coming in, which I like blonde with roots. So I don't know, right now I would just call myself like a strawberry blonde. And while I'm not hating it, I really like the way that my hair is looking right now. Except for maybe, I don't know. Still not super in love with the back. I mean, I am, but I'm not at the same time. I don't know. But, yeah. Even though this was kind of a video in which I thought I might be disappointed pretty quickly, but dear God, thank you for everything, amen. Definitely check out our prayer books linked down below. And we're done here. I don't want to ramble anymore. I don't know. If you like this result, buy it. If you don't like this result, don't buy it. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you'll never miss the next time I upload a random new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one, and bye.